Today in word work, we're going to talk about something called homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same, but are spelled different and have a different meaning. If we look at the word homophone, we can break it into its two root words. Homo means the same, and phone means sound. So homophone means same sounding words. This is a tricky skill to learn. It takes a lot of practice. So, how do we know which is which? Some words have tricks and strategies, but lots of them are just a matter of knowing and remembering, which is what makes this so hard. Some of the words do have tricks to help us, though. This is one of them for there, and there. The first there is a place. I remember this because it has the word here right inside of it. The next there is a word that means to belong to someone, like their shoes or their house. I remember this one because it has an I in it, like it's mine, it belongs to me. The last one is a contraction of two words put together, they and are. The next one that has a trick is where and where. The first where means a place, like here, and it even has the word here right inside of it. The next wear means to wear an item, like clothing or shoes or a hat. Here's my last trick for here and here. The first one is a place, and we found that word hidden inside of there and where already. The next here, though, it has the word ear right inside of it, and it means to listen, like with your ear. Handy, right? These words like bye, and bye, we just have to remember which is which. That's a tricky thing to do. The first buy means to purchase something, like I buy groceries at the store. The next buy means goodbye, like when you're waving to somebody. And the last buy means beside something or written by someone, like the dog is by the cat. Here are some of the other words that are homophones. These aren't even all of them. There's tons. These are just some of the trickiest ones to know. The first two are no and no. The first no means to know, like information, like I know the answer. The next one means no way, or the opposite of yes. Then we have which and which. The first which is like the Halloween character. The second which means like you have a choice between things, like which one of these would you like? Next, we have hour and hour. The first one means time. The second one means a belonging to a group, like our classroom or our house. Then we have right and right. The first one is the opposite of left, like using your right hand for something. The next one means to record information, like when we write in our journals. Then we have 8 and 8. The first one means like I ate some food. The next one is the number 8, like it's 8 o'clock. Then we have 1 and 1. The first one is the number again, like I have 1 pencil. The next one, though, means to win something, like I won a trophy. Then we have 2 and 2. There's another 2 that goes with these as well, but I think we're good at spelling that one. The first 2 is the number, and the second 2 means like in addition to something. As in, I have too many potatoes, or I want to go to the park too. And the last one I put up here is not and not. The first not means to tie something like your shoes in a knot. The second not means denying something, like that is not going to happen. There are some practice activities on our website for you to try today using homophones. Don't get discouraged if it's hard at first. If you remember some of the tricks and work hard on learning the other words, it will come easy.